Ladies and gents, hello and welcome to another vloggy vlog. As I am walking to my bike and 35-degree weather. This morning I actually rode. And it was much colder. It was 25, feels like 23. And I tested these gloves because this is a RNGS glove, quote unquote, the budget version option. And these right here are Highway 21 heated gloves, which are awesome, and they are over twice the price. They're $220. So, and after much research, I've realized that both of them work about the same. There's no real benefit to one or the other. Because if you imagine, if they feel about the same at 25 degrees, they feel about the same elsewhere. I assure you, I do not plan on riding any temperature that's colder than colder than the degrees I just mentioned. Anyway, let's go. Let's do this. Let's start this baby up. Look at this thing. It starts right up, but it is running funny. It is running funny. And one weird thing about these gloves is that once in a while it turns off. Weird. Anyway, let's do one more test before I figure out which one is better. Obviously V's look cuter, kinda, but not necessarily. That guy was admiring my... No, you're good. The guy was admiring my motorcyclism. Good. There you go. Right. Yes. Here we are. What are we doing here? Thank you, sir. There we go. Anywho, now we can start. And by start, I mean, what was I even talking about? But yeah, I actually have a third pair of gloves coming, which is kind of exciting. So I'm actually gonna do 3 different, oh God, bro. Please don't do that, you fucking banana. Cold to dilly-dally. Too cold to dilly-dally today. But yeah, the third pair of gloves is kind of in between that's coming. It's gonna be $160, I believe. chilly. Oh, it's cold. But oh my hasn't left. Fuck. No wonder. No wonder. And guess what? I bounced early enough to see the Croatia game. Fuck it, eh? I'm a savage. I told everybody I gotta go home and take care of something, and meanwhile I'm just gonna watch World Cup, which is fine. World Cup needs to be watched. I gotta finish a little bit of payroll and then some invoicing. Overall, all is fine. There we go. Whatever this means. That was fun. That was a good little ride. I'm sorry it's such an incoherent vlog, because A, I didn't have any food. Oh, now you fucking turning that shit on. I didn't have any food, so I'm kind of delirious, but overall should be fine. We're good. This is fine. Totally okay. So what can I tell you besides a whole lot of nothing? Nothing. That's it. I cannot tell you anything. I don't have any updates or... Bruh, you're gonna fucking go, you people? What the fuck? Fucking weirdos. Fucking weirdos. What a bunch of weirdos. This whole fucking thing. Bunch of fucking weirdos. No rhyme, no reason. Tis the season for no rhyme and no reason, I'm guessing. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon, and